Hello everyone and welcome back to another Empties and mini reviews. This is Household Empties. I have some of the same basic items to share. So the aluminum foil from DollarTree, 40 square feet. This is a $1.75 now for 40 square feet, which I done a little bit of investigating at some other stores, and this is still not a terrible deal. Once again, this foil is thinner. The row could get messed up easily. It can rip easily, but for what I need it for, it gets the job done. Same with this, the aluminum foil sheets. You get 30 sheets in here. I believe these are a $1.75 now as well. They do not do a full pan length anymore. I do like these for convenience. They are a little bit thicker than this foil, and they do the same thing. I do like them, but if I can find them a bit longer, I'll repurchase. The True Living Soft and Strong. This was a roll of paper towels. You get one roll of paper towels, 100 sheets, 2+ sheets, and these are the Selecta size. So you get the smaller version, or well, the half size and a full if you choose to rip it off like that. I do like that option. These are $1 at Dollar General. I think it is a great deal. The paper towels work fantastic. 10 out of 10, like, repurchase again. Of course, this is a repurchase, the Great Value Quart freezer bags. You get 25 in here. I believe these are $1.98. I don't feel that this is a terrible deal considering you get way less at the Dollar Tree for $1.75. Do have the double zipper and they kind of stand up. Overall, I do like these. I'll continue to repurchase them. And the crunching that you hear in the background is Miss Hershey Girl. She is currently eating. Of course, we have an empty Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength. This is one of my favorite dish soaps. I talk about it every single Empties, I believe. This one is the 32.5 fluid ounces, a little over $3. It's amazing. It is so good. I cannot say it enough. This suds super well. A little goes a long way. It cuts grease like so good. Better than any of the dish soaps I've ever tried. This stuff's amazing. The Extra Power Clean Foaming Spray Antibacterial Hand Soap. Yes, this is a hand soap. I know. It was 13.5 fluid ounces. It's in the scent Juicy Orange. It's a little bit strange, but it does come with a spray nozzle, and it sprays through this little teeny tiny screen. I don't know if the camera will focus on that, but it is a screen, making it kind of foam up when it comes out. This product, if it was in a regular container, might have been alright. The nozzle leaked, so if I did not keep it on the off setting, it would just like leak on the counter. I'm like, what the heck? Although it smelled really nice, this is still a bit strange for a hand soap. It did lather decent, like I said, and it smelled good. It served its purpose as a foaming hand cleaner. I will not purchase it again. The nozzle, this is gimmicky. This drew me in, but I actually thought that this was dish spray. Yeah, didn't read it correctly until I got home and was like, oh, wow, okay. Yeah, even Connor and John did not like this. It's just inconvenient for a sink space. I had this off to the side in the kitchen. We used it up because I don't like to waste, but we weren't the biggest fan of this. Soft soap for the win. Always. Absolutely love soft soap. This is the Fall Pumpkin Scent. This is 11.25 fluid ounces. I picked this up at Ollie's, a larger size of their soap. This smelled so good. It has very cute packaging always. This kind of smells like Coty Airspun powder. Do you know what I'm talking about? The powder at the drugstore that's in like the orange container? Yeah. Even though it's fall pumpkin, but that's just what the scent reminded me of. Totally random, but I loved it. Absolutely love this. Will purchase soft soap again and again. These are the Disinfects. These are from DollarTree. I'm assuming these were either $1.50 or $1.75. I'm not entirely sure what I paid for these. They're in the lemon scent. You get 30 in here. Regardless, they are disinfecting wipes. They worked just as good as any other disinfecting wipe. A light lemon scent. And of course it says it kills 99.9% of bacteria in 15 seconds. They work great for and serve their purpose. I mean, I use them to wipe down everything. And I would repurchase them. I like them. I already repurchased, but not from the Dollar Tree. I got a Walmart one instead. Only because I was at Walmart and I needed them. And I have the True Living Scent Booster. This says compared to Gain Fireworks Original. This is in the Hint of Spring scent. In-wash scent booster, long-lasting freshness. This was 9.7 ounces. I love the packaging of this. I love anything green. However, once again, I think that this is too much plastic packaging for the amount of scent beads or boosters that you get. You know what I mean? Like, it's like here filled, maybe here, because there's some settling, of course, in the packaging. But that's a lot. They smelled amazing though. I really love the scent. I would purchase them again. It does linger on the clothes. Connor even mentioned, he's 11 years old. He said, "Mommy, how do you get the clothes to smell so good?" He's 11. He's a boy. He doesn't really care about that kind of stuff. But he mentioned it. And I started using this one. I definitely will repurchase this one. It was nice. Lingers in the clothes. That's about all I can say. And this was $3.50 at Dollar General. If you're lucky, you can find at the Dollar General, in the Dollar Deal aisles, scent boosters for $1, but I ain't been able to find them for a while there. So this may be my new one. So this was awesome. Definitely recommend and would repurchase again. The Super Heavy Duty batteries. These are from the E-Circuit brand from Dollar Tree. These are no longer $1.25. Don't let that sticker fool you. They are $1.50. These are AAAs and they work great. I recently did get some rechargeable AAA batteries, so I don't think I'll be purchasing these anytime in the future. At least not right now. But they're good batteries though. Just wanted to share that with you. The True Living Shaped Scrubbers. Absolutely love these. This one's seen better days, but this is what they look like. They kind of like shield your nails. That's obviously why I like them so very much. This manicure is day 4. Only been top coated once, and I wash dishes 1 to 2 times a day, every single day. So those sponges really help protect my nails, and I do not wear gloves. Oh, just want to throw that out there. I love these. They're $1, and you get 5 of them. I have 3 of these extra in-wash scent boosters. So I picked these up at Dollar General in their Dollar Deals aisle. They are $1 each. 5 ounces of product. I will say the container, it's a lot of plastic. It's only about half full. I love the way these smell. I did get the Fresh Linen one and 2 of the Ocean Breeze. I do prefer the Ocean Breeze over the Fresh Linen scent in this extra brand. It's not that it smells bad or anything, I just think that the Ocean Breeze smells better. I do like these. I will repurchase them in the future, even though it is a little excessive with their packaging. I just emptied these into my large container, but I have been using on these. They do a good job at giving your clothes a scent boost. They linger on the clothes. Definitely, I would say at least up to a week after you've washed your clothes. You can still smell this on them. For $1, that is not a bad deal. It actually does what it's supposed to, and I love these. That is the last household empty I have to share today. I hope that you enjoyed the mini reviews, found them helpful. Hopefully you'll check some of these products out for yourselves. If you have any other comments, questions regarding any of these products, please leave them in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and thank you so very much for watching.